This video reviews the process of how to create an operator checklist with one defect, no follow-up work order, and old body damage, also known as Scenario 2. Mechanics, leads, supervisors, controllers, and senior controllers have permission for this process. In the operator checklist screen, enter the equipment number and tab off. Place the cursor in the pull-in date time field and hit the space bar on the keyboard to bring in the current date and time. If a different date is desired, click the calendar icon and select the date. Click Create Checklist. In the defect card number row results column, enter the defect card number. In the defect found row results column, click Yes to denote a defect has been found. In the notes column, enter old body damage. Click the final occurrence checkbox to denote no more rows will be added to this record. Save the record. Click Move to complete. This concludes this review. Thank you for watching.